Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, dressed up for the Christmas holiday season, is known for both its gingerbread house and Christmas tree in the main lobby. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel, and in this video we have both for you. Both are beautiful for 2023 as they are every year. Let's start with a very close look at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa's Christmas tree in its main lobby. As you will see, the many different Christmas ornaments on this Christmas tree are spectacular. So we will show those to you in a 360-degree POV view. Gingerbread House? Not quite yet. Gingerbread House? Almost. And if you are enjoying this close look at both of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa's lobby Christmas tree and soon its Gingerbread House, yes, please give this video a thumbs up so others will know. And please subscribe to our channel if not already a subscriber and click the notification bell for more of our travel for adult videos. We are publishing one video each day from now through to Christmas on Walt Disney World for the holidays.
There's no line.
Gingerbread House? Here you go. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.